Hey guys, in this video let's make a isolated footing miniature model. So first of all, let's start with a PCC bed. PCC bed is nothing but plain cement concrete bed. After we are done with PCC bed, we have to place reinforcement mat or mesh over that, and below that we have to keep some cover blocks, and after that we have to place our reinforcement column frame, and we have to do shuttering for footing, and we have to do concreting of footing. After we are done with this, we have to leave it to settle or dry, and after that we have to remove footing formwork. After we are done with this, we have to do formwork of column and do concreting of column. After this, you have to leave it to dry, and after this let's remove column shuttering. Now we are done with isolated footing miniature model. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, then please share it and subscribe. If you are watching it on Instagram, please follow. Hey guys, in this video let us make a combined footing miniature model. So first of all, let us start with a PCC bed. PCC bed is nothing but plain cement concrete bed. After we are done with PCC bed, let us place cover blocks over that, and after cover blocks are placed, let us keep a reinforcement mat over that, and after this we have to place column frames, and let's do shuttering for footing. After shuttering is done, we have to do concreting for that, and after concreting you have to leave it to settle down, and after it's settled, let us remove the shuttering of footing, and after that you have to do column shuttering again. You have to do concreting for column and leave it to settle down and remove the shuttering, and we are done with combined footing miniature model. If you like the video, please like it and share it and subscribe on YouTube and Instagram. So see you in next video.